Every game developer faces roadblocks in their journey of becoming the best. Here are the few common roadblocks that are faced by almost all experienced developers. Some developers, especially those with a programming background, are tempted to create everything from scratch, including their own game engine. However, this approach can actually end up costing more time and becoming distraction for completing the game itself. Often, developers may overlook existing tools and assume they need to build everything on their own. It's common to have a grand vision for what you want your game to be, but it's important to resist the temptation to make it too complicated, especially if you're new to game development. In reality, it's unlikely that your first game will have multiple levels, diverse enemies, and various environments. Attempting to create such a large project may lead to feeling overwhelmed and ultimately giving up. It's crucial to have a realistic outlook when starting out in indie game development. While it's not to discourage anyone from pursuing their passion, it's vital to acknowledge that making a lot of money from creating indie games is unlikely, especially if you're just starting. In fact, the odds are in favor of making more money by coding applications for a corporation. Also, exceptions are always there. It's important to acknowledge that the idea of perfection is itself imperfect. So understanding this is crucial when working in game development. It's likely that even after putting in significant effort, you will encounter mistakes and area of improvement in your finished product. Instead of striving for perfection, aim to create a game that is good enough. And that brings us to the end of the video. Drop a like if you could relate to these roadblocks. Also check out the channel for more gaming updates.